god, not my ring falling off right off the jump. Literally, I look absolutely crazy right now. I just woke up, literally, and my hair, you're probably like, why do you have that hat on? Because I have my hair in like 10 braids, and to like when I take them out to give a crimped effect. Let me put the microphone down. Sorry. I just really started recording. I did not even check anything. But yeah, I have like 10 braids that I slept in to like give my hair like this crimped effect. And I was like, I don't know why I want to make a video. I don't even care anymore. This is real. This is who I am. This is me. But I'm gonna get comfy. Beanie or not. Wow, my blankets are like, you know what, whatever. Just get the comfy vibe. We're in bed right now. I saw a video of this girl on TikTok, and she had a bunch of rings on. It was super tingly, but I don't know, my rings are kind of like, you can't really hear them. I also have a bunch of like Rafe bracelets on. So I thought that could be tingly. Anyway, I've been wanting to do this for a while. I have quite a few like fidget toys, and I just bought this one yesterday. If you can't tell, I love pandas. They're my favorite, but I got this from Target yesterday, and I just love when I tap on it. Freaking love fidget toys. I don't know what it is. When I was younger, I have a friend, and younger, like in high school or so, I have a friend, and her car, before I could drive, when she could drive, actually, I think I could drive at that point, but she would be the one driving. I don't even know what I'm rambling about, sorry. Sometimes it's not really coherent, but she literally would have like so many fidget toys in the passenger seat of her car, so anyone who was like riding passenger could play with them. And that experience like freed my soul. Like, I don't know, I feel like my generation, like, we have a big thing for fidget toys, because like in middle school I remember how we had like, you know, like the fidget spinners and all that kind of stuff. Iconic. I don't know, I haven't even brushed my teeth yet today. That's how much, like, I literally opened the blinds and I was like, I had my morning coffee, I was like, let's go, let's pump out this content, let's pump it out. Kind of not as serious today, so sorry. I got a new job, and literally it has not left as much time that I had when I did my job, so I want to keep making my little videos because I have so much fun doing it, and you know, I feel like it's just like a little way to have like some me time before I fucking go crazy at work. So go to my side hustle, then I have to go to work and clock in right away. And the shifts, I'm like training right now, but like the training shifts are like 6 hours long. Well, it was 6 hours the first time. It's like 3 to 6 p.m. Wait, what? 3 to 9 p.m. And my trainer, she was like, this is the shortest training day. So honestly, period, because, you know, I'm excited to get that paycheck, but I gotta prepare myself. So sorry. Oh, this is a little, it's kind of loud. Sorry. It's kind of like a little pop thing I have, like the back button. You just, this one's poking me. I'm gonna take it off. The struggle. Dang, like, I have like 4 rings on this one. Looking a little crazy. What are these called? Pop It. Another Pop It. Oh, this is the one. I think I got this from like the dollar store or something. But the one side, it's like harder to pop through than the other. So let me get that done really quick. I don't know why. I want to get more fidget toys. I know I probably don't need more because I have a lot, but I don't know. I love this shit. Grown. They're just so fun. I hit my thumb the other day, my thumbnail, and like it literally hurts. I wonder if I like peel it up from the nail bed or something. Did that ever happen to you? It's terrible. I look so funny in this beanie, bro. I was just like, I'm not coming on here with these braids, and I don't want to take them out before I shower because I'm not gonna wash my hair, you know, and my hair's already up when they're in the braids, so I'm overthinking it. But I was like, just throw that hat on. I look like Justin Bieber, I feel like. No, you don't. No, you don't. You wish, but no. Sorry, I like talk to myself sometimes like that. Anyway. It's all popped. Oh no, the light died. Probably does not even make a difference. You see what I mean though? Like, look how easy that pops. Those are the poppets I have. The squishies, like, I have like this like cake squishy too. I just have no idea where it is. I got it in Vegas when I was younger. It's like a cake, but it's like the American flag on it. I don't know why I remember that. I just loved that thing. I love the smell of these, bro. Bring it here. But yeah, literally, it's like, I just love this. I might go get, because there's a donut too. It's only $3. Like, I might go and get the donut. So don't set me with a good time, for real. But yes, this one is just so huge. Great. Alright. Oh, these keep flying off. The last set of things I have are these Neatos. So I have this cat. Ooh. This is like the one with like the cloud stuff in it. Like, I don't know why it looks like that. Like, when I first got it, it was not that chunky. So sorry, maybe it's because I haven't like squished it in a long time. I don't know, but part of me wants to put it on the mic, but I feel like that would be super loud. Sorry, what the heck? Why do I like that? Actually, these rings keep hitting the mic. Oh my god. I feel like an ASMR genius right now. Maybe not. That was fun though. Hopefully it's not too loud. I keep hearing the rings hit against the mic. So it's like, damn. Alright, we tried it. Trying something new, okay? Thank you for putting up with that. The last toy I have to show you today is this Neato cube. I fucking love this thing, bro. Oh my god. It's like, there's like an air socket though. It's kind of pissing me off. This thing is so fun. Can't really tap on it. What if I put this on the mic? It's a little hard. Well. I think that's all I'm gonna do for today. I do have to get ready for work and shit soon, so thank you for watching. Had fun. I'll see you guys next time. Sorry this was kind of like unprofessional, but we're here. We got it done. We did it. So I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.